Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen of the media. My name is Rosemary Brown, aka Akuapem Poloo. This afternoon, I wish to address the press and say thank you to my family, fans, and loved ones for standing by me through this trying time of my life. First and foremost, I wish to thank the Almighty God, who has been gracious and merciful to me. And importantly, I say a big thanks to you. I say a big thank you to the President of the Republic, His Excellency Nana Addo Dankwa, whom, upon receiving a lot of petitions from well-meaning Ghanaians and friends, both home and abroad, to intervene in my situation, gave a listening ear to my life. Secondly, I'd like to say a big thank you to the Honorable Attorney General, Mr. Godfrey Dami, for his great support and for representing the government at large in taking this matter up as an exceptional case, considering the situation of my 7-year-old son. My special thanks also go to all those who, in one way or the other, worked behind the scene to support my cause. Of course, I cannot forget to say thank you to all my lawyers who came to assist me in one way or the other since this matter started, and in particularly Mr. Andrew Votia, Gangster Tamaklo, John Kwame, Quentin, Onine Nana, son. Please, my English is no good, so the way please forgive me. Felix Nana Hossein, and etc. And the rest of the legal team. We know. I also want to thank persons like those called celebrities, the Nigerian blogger Mofa, CCB Nigeria, Tontodike, Linda, Nkeji, Tunde Ednots, Cardi B, my spirit Twinnie, DKB, Reggie Rackstone, the legendary, Sako Dier, Efia Noctana, Habiba Sinari, Nana McBrown, the legendary, Walkesia, Prince Kennedy, Nation blogger, Nkokonsa, Zion Felix, GH Hyper, Ronnie is everywhere. A lot, and all my bloggers. Please, I can't mention all of you, your name. But please, I'm so grateful. I saw everything when I came back. I saw all the support you use your blog to do for me, especially the hashtag Free Akuapem Poloo. I saw it and I was home, but I was still crying because I didn't know I had so much people who love me like this. And finally, I want to abroad, especially my lovely brothers and sisters in Nigeria and the rest of Africa for standing by me in this matter. And last but not the least, to my pastors, all religion leaders who in one way or the other said a prayer for me on this matter. I say God bless you all. In fact, I cannot finish thanking everyone, but God bless everyone for me. I really appreciate it. Thank you so much. Thank you.
You wake up from time back, right?
Yeah.
Okay, Tree. Young boy.
Me, me papa no. Me mommy no more come to. I say, and you more outside Ghana. Me say, me think when you so. Ada obi biara okwa me ewo manch amani atu imi enye obia na asem we otimi ni hufi me pese me danya nkopon ase se watimi ejimi etiri paibo ejimi yase we me pese me da Pesa me da nyakopon ase we yin ase we pesa me da me papa yin president Nana Akuapem ase so no so me nuanu media fo and me fans me chief sending petition a man no one looking on me na otie me na Attorney General Subesomu, no omuna omutiemi, no mutiemi, no mutimi me because I say why I become.
Let's get her some tissue, please. Some tissue.
Maybe just a question. What was it like being in prison? No.
We haven't gone. That I support you. Oh, where's she going?
No room for question.
I'm going under the.
Sorry, we will have to just end it here. Any other question?
So why did you call it a press conference? Because a press conference is supposed to be an interactive session with the media. So we ask questions. You don't just come and do a vote of thanks and expect us to go.
You can ask the question. We would
Where is the person? So are we to wait? We can wait. She give us time.
Wait, then let's work on that. Because we don't want to ask
She put herself together and then we can take it from there.
ask the question and she's bowing her head and no, I understand, please. So is she coming back? Let's just look at that.
Okay.
This be live visuals from Accra, Ghana, where the Ghanaian actress Akuapem Poloo just addressed the press on a 90-day sentence and subsequent release.
You and I will have to put our heads together.
You kindly lower the seat for us to get the man.
And empathize. Okay. At least be able to make started mentioning the name of the president. Memories started coming in. It was difficult for him. So let's see if after some minutes he's able to.
We are still waiting because this is a press conference.
We've been waiting for how long?
It's a press conference where you know they. I'm like, please, can you kindly lower your tone? This is a press conference. You don't come here and eat. You don't know what you're talking about. Can you be quiet? You put your phone on silence. It is a press conference. And you're telling me the way I'm talking to the manager. I even added these. I was kind enough. They need to respect the media sometimes.
This is the live visuals from Accra, Ghana. You dey watch BBC Pidgin. We dey under the press conference of Ghanaian actress Akuapem Poloo. The High Court of Ghana released from 90-day prison sentence. The lawyers apply for bail. The High Court agreed to the bail on grounds that she be first-time offender. Second ground says she be single mother who they take care of 7-year-old. They give them some bail conditions, which be 80,000 Ghana cedis. Make she pay before then go release them from someone prison. So them release them yesterday. Where today they address the press. She's done with that. She's done with that.
President, Ghana President, Nana Ado, Nana Akufuado, Anim, I'm on the home in mobile, I'm a Omajimi, after 90 days, I can answer. Meso, Nyakopo Adunti, any fans, any bloggers, on platform, any social media, baby Piara, Nigeria, baby Piara, outside Ghana, abroad, US, UK, South Africa, here. Oh, what the woman, Mr. Murphy, jail. Because so, let's all go jail. Answer na me pay. Because Nyami show BBR. Me enemy paying for more industry anymore. More acting, more to young, more Nigeria, more Ghana, more baby Piara, more Guame, Tonto Dike, my ground. Those for celebrity, Tune Ethnos, Kwakesier, Takodia, Stormboy, Shatawale, Efia, Pepe Kwamiti, Stacy Amwantin, Pepe meeting bone, DKB, Zion Felix, Nikokonsa, Samike Media, GHIPA. Those meeting woman, Yami shop now more says because I am one coming in baby as a semi. Most of what was a miss what to Pamaka some yeni pa miss what papa and easy mammy. My funny easy, a granny moment, still cramming to me, yes, strong, me by now, but as send it me back, not the whole world. Me fans know my worried. Almost so much so many, but almost so many. It's me back. More beer will sample to me so many me be. And come in the assistant snacks. Yamim sure be a Shana. No meaning say. Take a picture with my son in Tamana can take me to jail or can put me in a big trouble. I didn't know it was not a good thing. Whatever it is, please forgive me. I beg you, the whole world, the whole Ghana, Mr. President, my legend, my women, oh, please, help mercy on me. Forgive me. I didn't do that intentionally. Please, I'm your kid sister, I'm your child, I'm your daughter. Please forgive me. And I want to say this to my colleagues, to the young ones who are coming, that it's not a good act. I didn't know, and I did it. And this is what I got myself into. Oh. So please, especially the nudity, I beg you, we should put a stop to it. Nudity is not good. It's not good at all. Woo. It's not just taking a picture with your son in that manner. But nudity is not good. And Ghanaians, we have our norms, our culture. Yes, I beg you. For this, I beg you, my colleagues, understand it, and let's put a stop to it. I love you all. This is Akuapem Poloo. I'm out. Kiss, kiss.
They paid them.
Okay, so I think we use the opportunity to the media for one or two questions.
Akuapem Poloo, one of the biggest concerns for most Ghanaians has been the fact that you're a single parent, and a lot of concerns about your son, his welfare. Have you seen him? What condition is he in, and what can you tell us about your son?
Okay, my son, since I cannot see him, he's with my lawyer. Myself, all this while, I've been with my lawyer because we're not really done with the process for me to come out. The appeal is still in process. So now I've not been in the house. I'm with my lawyer, with my son. Since for some few days. Since when I was out, my son was with me.
The few people who were concerned felt that maybe your son will be aware of what's happening, and that's not good for his mindset. Is he aware of the things happening, or there's been a way to help him not know it?
My son is not aware. My son still feel like I'm in Nigeria working. Yes. Yeah, to him, he think I'm in Nigeria working. As an actress.
Okay, so how did you feel when you were slapped with a 90-day jail term? What was running through your mind when the judge told you that you're going to...
Come down to my bed.
Okay. Okay. All right, so I'm sure that when you were at the courts, when they were sentencing you to 90 days, there are a lot of things that were running through your mind. How did you feel about it?
Yeah. I least expected that. I wasn't expecting me to be jailed for 90 days. As I said earlier on, I didn't know what I did would take me to prison. So I didn't expect it at all. At that moment, I saw that the depression, I couldn't see anything till they took me to the cells.
Right. How has it been like being with you? How was the experience like?
I don't know how to say it, but you won't understand.
Okay, you made mention that a lot of celebrities and bloggers supported you. There were some celebrities who were also against you, or some people who were against you, and they said that you deserved what happened to you. What do you have to say to them?
Oh, no. I just want to leave everything to God for now.
Poloo, stop the nudity. Yeah, would you be? Now can I hear this?
Oh, but you've been on my page for 1 year now. Since 30th June that this issue came. 30th June was my son's birthday, and I posted that picture with him. Since then, 30th June last year, I posted that picture. I one was some posting nudity on my pages for 1 year now. Me posting nudity. So I'm so serious about stop nudity.
So what lessons have you learned from all this back and forth?
Oh, it's a lot. The good and the bad side, I've learned a lot. That's why I'm here to say that it's not a good thing to do. So we should try and stop doing it.
What are you going to dress from now on?
As you see me dress now on my page. I'm not exposing myself on my page.
Papa support to say what's happening.
Oh no. This is my private issue and I don't talk about it.
People think the sentence was harsh. To you, how do you think it was fair?
Oh, no. I think someone has asked that question. I don't talk about it. It's about sports.
Well, also, a lot of people raise funds to support you. Some of the issues that have also come out was that you didn't give EKB here your consent. We just want you to clear the air. Did you give him the go ahead?
Sweetheart, I just came out. I'm grateful to anyone.
No,
that's what I said.
We spoke to your manager today and he was like, the management team and yourself didn't know anything about it. That
I'm
fundraising.
grateful to anyone who donated to me and my son. I'm grateful.
Please, we have just were you in support of it? We have just some more questions and then we'll have to end.
Did you support it or not? Were you in support of it or not? Just a question.
Please,
Were you in support of it or not?
don't answer yet. Can we just all be a bit quiet so we can hear him?
Some people are saying that this problem could have been avoided if you had a very good management. What would you say to people like that? Have you improved your management?
Who said I don't have a good manager? My management. The only problem is I went home by taking a nude picture with my son. For the past 3 years I've been good. Look at how far I've gotten to this from my management team. Please give me time to recover. I beg you.
Just the last question and please we can just... So,
We
Poloo,
want to
did you
still know.
all have any idea
Yes.
of what DKB was doing?
Exactly. We want to know.
That is why I just came, please. I tell everyone who supported
Just
me.
yes or no.
DKB is a legend. So if he supported me, he's supposed to support me. Thanks to anyone who supported me. God bless them.
Thank you guys so much. Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Sorry, I'd like to apologize for the way I
DKB, you're one of the people who
Charlie, you will answer the question.
Oh, but how you feel? How you feel?
Second press
DKB.
conference.
DKB, genuinely, how you dey feel? Second, then you dey on social media, you want make them release them, finally then release them. DKB, how you dey feel? You be one of the people wey campaign say at least them for see inside give and we find it then release them. What you get what? Yeah. So your reaction? We know say as then sentence on 90 days, then you be one of the few people where you make very worried for him. You go on social media, you hate at the child rights organization and things. Riders then release them. How you dey feel and what be your message to the other people where you get consensus with them?
So far, my English is not really good. So please forgive me for my English.
Are you acting?
Give me some time to recover.
So
So, I was overwhelmed. I thought, wow, 90 days. I was in shock. But it's a legal directive, you have to respect it. Yeah. I was in shock, to be honest.
and how do you feel now seeing her?
My press conference,
So that be a Ghanaian comedian DKB. These were the live visuals from Accra, Ghana. As you can see, pressmen all over cover this presser by the Ghanaian actress and social media sensation Akuapem Poloo. Generally, she talks, she thank all the Ghanaians who have support over the period. She also mentioned how the petition, online petition, with over 30,000 Ghanaians signed, requesting, say, President Akuapem Poloo go look inside the matter, then offer some form of support. The Attorney General's office, according to lawyers, then other top hierarchy, give them that kind of support. We, the lawyers or the legal team, apply for bail, where them appeal the case for High Court. High Court eventually grants the bail application, then put them on bail condition of 80,000, which then finally fee raised. That be yesterday with the release. And this was the first time she addressed Ghanaians after the jail sentence. So she just finished the presser.